Welcome back to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add transitions in Camtasia. So firstly, let's open our import our media. It is loading. It will take some seconds. So hold on, please. Now you have to drag and drop to the timeline. Okay, drag and drop complete. Now you can see this bar here, the frame rate bar, the frame bar. This one you have to do it anywhere, and you have to split the video first. So how you can split it, you can see here split option, this one, click on split and it will be splitted. The video has been splitted. You can see two parts, this one and this one. Okay, so now let's enable the transition. You can see here the transitions options. If you can't find the transition option, you have to click on more, then you must find here the transition options. Click on transitions and choose the transition you want, like this one, card flip swap. All you have to just drag and drop the transitions here. Okay, now you can see that the video is using transitions. Let's play the video now. Okay, here you'll find, so you saw that the transition work here, right? Now using these transitions, I'm deleting this one. I'm splitting again, split. Okay, now I'm gonna use transitions here. So I'm gonna choose now card flip, drag and drop here, and now you can see open, it will be like this. Okay, so this is how you can add transitions in a video. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.